You're stuck on a deserted island. All around you is endless water, no signs of people anywhere. Suddenly, a bottle floats in on a wave. Inside the bottle, there's a letter, a message sent by someone unknown. Just imagine how curious you'd be to read that message once you hold it. It's like the Voyager Golden Record we sent into the deep darkness of space. A bottled message sent to intelligent beings on some unknown planet in this vast universe. The year is 1977. NASA launched one of its most significant space missions, the spacecraft named Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Their primary mission was the big planets of the solar system. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were seen up close. After this mission, the Voyagers would leave the solar system. Scientists thought that if anyone ever found these two spacecraft in the deep darkness of space, they'd want to know who sent them and where they came from. So, a special message was added to the Voyager ships, which we call the Golden Record. The design was by the famous astronomer Carl Sagan and his team. Basically, it's a copper disc plated in gold that looks like a regular gramophone record. The record is 12 inches in diameter. It's a 1-inch diameter aluminum disc coated with gold to protect it from cosmic radiation, because gold can survive in the oxygen-free, harsh environment of space for a long time. Scientists believe this record can remain intact in the intense conditions of space for nearly 1 billion years. Choosing what information to include on this golden record was a huge challenge for the scientists, since capturing the entire Earth on just one tiny record isn't easy. After lots of discussion, analysis, and debate, they ended up including 116 images. Earth's various scenes show the human body, animals, plants, sunsets, rivers, mountains, cities, villages, and even the structure of DNA through pictures. There are natural sounds from earthwind thunder, ocean waves, bird songs, whale calls, and many other environmental noises. You'll also hear sounds of trains, cars, airplanes, and machines that reflect our technological progress. Messages of greeting to the inhabitants of the planet are included in 55 languages, including Bengali. In Bengali, it says, Namaskar, let there be peace in the world. From the atomic level to the cosmos, from Chinese folk songs to Indian classical music, this record contains 90 minutes of music from different cultures around the world. But how would someone unfamiliar with it know what's on it? That's why the record cover has simple pictures to explain how to play the record. It shows detailed instructions from cosmic hydrogen atom, signals to the speed and method for playing the record. But we don't know how beings from planet Vim will understand our signals. Scientists hope that if they're intelligent, they'll be able to grasp basic math and physics concepts. The Voyager Golden Record is basically a symbol of humanity's hopes, dreams, and unity. The purpose of sending this message isn't just scientific, it's philosophical too. We want to announce our existence in the vastness of space. Carl Sagan said the record is like a message in a bottle floating in the cosmic ocean. We don't know if anyone will ever find this bottle, but we sent our most beautiful memories anyway. Voyager is a spacecraft that's now outside our solar system, out in interstellar space, about 2.3 billion kilometers from Earth. Voyager 2 is also leaving our solar system and heading out into deep space. This Chandu is speeding into deep space at about 16 to 17 kilometers per second. But even at that crazy speed, it would take Voyager 1 around 40,000 years to reach our closest star. Will anyone ever actually receive this message? Scientists say the chances are super slim. Still, humanity has always loved to dream. Sending this message from our tiny planet and having it reach some intelligent life out there would be proof that we exist. It would mean the story of our civilization, that we're not alone in this vast universe. That feeling is beyond amazing. Maybe we're not really alone after all. There's no civilization either, but if some creature from a distant planet ever gets hold of this record, sees pictures of our Earth, hears our songs, and receives our greetings, that will be humanity's greatest achievement. Then they'll know that millions of years ago, on this tiny planet in the universe, lived a curious and creative species who had the courage to tell their story to the cosmos. Even now, every moment, in the vast darkness full of mysteries, this vast universe keeps moving forward, carrying with it our hopes, our dreams, and our Earth.